So the next part of the portion is cash budget. So cash budget is very easy. I guess it's less of accounts. It's more of mathematics actually. There's very little to understand. This is the basic formula. Cash budget is थोड़ा अगर general दे दूँ तो cash budget is like the cash expenditure. It's very boring theory. Google करके पढ़ लेना. The formulae are there are no formulae. It's just basic format and multiplication. I'll explain. So first is this is the question that will be given. Actually, this is the question that will be given. Sorry, it will have this like expected to have rupees 25,000 cash in hand or some. It will start with this or else in the other info it will be given the cash in hand, and this is the basic formula. They will ask you to make it like they'll ask you April से June बनाओ या March to May बनाओ या anything, any combination of that. They'll give all of this. They'll give this as simple as that. Now what do you have to do? You make the format cash budget for 3 months ending June, whatever, for 4 months, 3 months, etc, etc. Particulars, the 3 months or 4 months or the x amount of months that they have asked, you write them. You start with opening balance of cash. You don't have these two balances, but you have this balance which they have given. You just copy it from here and write it over here, simple as that. Then you have estimated cash receipts, estimated cash payments. First, estimated cash receipts. Now you go here, you check. So technically this is the estimated cash receipt, 70,000, but there is an issue. They've given other information in which they have mentioned that 25% of the total sales is cash and period of credit allowed to customers on credit sales is 1 month. So what does this mean? 25% of sales of current month we get in cash. The rest of the 75% is what we get in 1 month, because period of credit is 1 month, after which they have to pay us. So for April, let's take an example of April. So April mein 92,000 we had to get, but instead of that, because of 25%, we take 25% of 92,000, we get 23,000, which we will receive this month. Then next, and the collection from debtors, 75% of previous month. What does that mean? 25% इस month का, 75% I'll get April का in May का in June. But similarly, March का I'll get 75% in April. So 80,000 का 75%, which is 60,000, I got in April. So दोनों का मिला के कितना होगा? 60 plus 23, that is 83,000. So so cash sales 23,000 and cash received from debtors 60,000. Correct? As simple as that. Then फिर next देखने का sales में क्या है और 25% of sales is cash and period. Then April का 75% we'll get in May. May का 25% अभी मिला. May का 75% in June. June का 25% अभी मिला. We write it here as it is. 25,000, 30,000, 69, 75. Now next we check क्या और कुछ है sales के सिवाय any other receipts? No, there is no interest, there is no rent received, etc. इधर कुछ लिखा है income tax to be paid है, not received. Delay in payment of wages, payment period of credit allowed by suppliers. So this is very important. Suppliers allowing us credit is payment. So we allowing credit to customers is receipt. So there are no receipts except that. So we add this 60 plus 23 is 83 plus 25 is 1,08,000. Now estimated cash payments. Estimated cash payments, we will go here back again. Purchases is the first payment, but then again period of credit allowed by suppliers is 2 months, which means कि अप्रैल का पैसा 2 months later जून में पे करेंगे, मई का 2 months later जुलाई में, जून का 2 months later अगस्त में, so फरवरी का 2 months later अप्रैल में. करेक्ट? दैट्स वाई पेमेंट टू क्रेडिटर्स फेब्रुवरी का 40,000 2 मंथ लेटर अप्रैल में 40, देन मार्च का 50 2 मंथ लेटर में 50 52 52 as simple as that. Then the next payment is wages ka, is there any quirk? Yep, delay in payment of wages and expenses is 1 month. So wages मार्च का पे होगा अप्रैल में 8,000 9,000 10,000, so 8,000 9,000 10,000. Okay, expenses का भी same case. And income tax was paid in June 1998, so it was just paid in June, not paid in April में income tax लिखा. Simple. Add all this 55,000, estimated cash A minus total payment B, 108 minus 55 53,000. This will be the opening balance for May. 53,000. Add this, subtract this, add this, subtract this, you get this. This is your final answer. As simple as that. Now